Big problem with our sharks is we're actually taking their food source. So a lot of times we go out, we're taking lots of fish. Now that's the shark's food as well. So it means that if we're taking all of their fish to eat, they're running out of food. So the thing that we can do is actually to buy sustainably caught fish. So kind of things that aren't taking everything and anything. A lot of the big nets that they use actually will pick up lots of stuff that you don't want. You get a lot of bycatch and things like that in it. The other thing is fish and chip shops. Everybody loves fish and chips down at the fish and chip shop, but many people don't know that a lot of the time you're actually eating shark. Lemon fish, people often get that, and that is actually a type of shark. There is actually apps you can download on your smartphones, and they can actually tell you which species are sustainable and which ones aren't. And that way we're kind of making sure that the sharks have enough food as well.